Crazy? Ain't nothing changed. Still real, baby.
Oh, that part, nigga, hold up, nigga. Yeah, nigga, tap in. Yeah. That part. I want to bring back that reality, but nobody can never do that. Cheek, get the yayo. Picture me being cracked. Show me. Niggas, they caught me on the low. White boys don't call me cold, they call me. I see you, nigga. You know me, nigga. Thank you very much. Who with the poppin'? Man, I done did it at my BM shit, so who really with the nonsense? Man, I done done hella shit, my niggas can't tell me nothing. So I'm on with the rapping, Lil' Buddha got me bragging, so real plus, keep me safe. Say dirt money low, but I blow the face. I fucked up a check, I crashed the brake. I be on some fucking spending cause I'm mad today. Look, 400 rap, 400 think I'm too reckless. So she fucking with me from a distance, but the squares ain't really what she want. But jeopardizing her career is what she want. Her friends think I'm bad for her image, but she don't. How could I blame her coming from where I'm coming? And this bomb and snapback just solidify. Take the hand up with me. I'll be right back.
Whoa. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys saw right now in the footage that I just put up, you guys saw me removing the stock camber kits off of the Civic. And today we're installing Megan Racing front camber kits. Main reason why I went with Megan was because it was a whole lot cheaper than going with Hardrace, and it's the exact same thing. I'll post a picture of the Hardrace camber kit up in this corner here, and you guys will be able to see the differences between how that one looks. It's just a picture, but you can look at it and see how that one compares exactly to the Megan Racing one. And if you look closely at them, these are the exact same, like the exact same little spots and everything, like this little open spot here, and everything is exactly the same. I think the Hardrace has a sticker on the same side also. Bushings exactly the same, and craftsmanship looks pretty good too, so everything looks good. So we're gonna put these onto the Civic. It was pretty easy. It was just 2 bolts, one on each side. Oh, I'm not even showing you guys. 2 bolts, so it was one on each side, and then the little castle nut on the bottom. 17, 14 mils, come right out. On an EK Civic, it's similar to EG DC chassis, but on the EK Civic, what's different is that the bolts are actually on the sides here. on the EG, DC. I think on the EFs also, they come from the top. So what I had to do for this one, I had to remove the stock airbox and take it out so that I can get to this bolt, and I had to remove the battery to get to the side bolt down here to the 14. And on the driver's side, it was pretty easy. Everything's pretty accessible. So this 14 was easy access right here because I don't have cruise control. And this one was pretty much easy access down here as well. You just can't see in the dark, but it's pretty much easy access. So yeah, that's all it took. This is gonna be a quick install. I'm gonna save the rear disc brakes and the Willwood front calipers for a whole nother video. I wanted to do that one first for you guys, but bro, it's hot. I've barely been in this garage for like 30 minutes and I'm already like sweating bullets. So I ain't trying to do all that work today. I'll probably have that one for you maybe in a few weeks. So stay tuned for that one. So if you are not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed because like I said, there's a lot of stuff going down with this build. So let's quickly jump into these. Let's throw them on each side. I think I'm just gonna leave it as is right now. I'm not gonna mess with the camber. I'll let East Side Muffler take care of that when I take them over to them for an alignment, because that's the only shop out here in the AV that I trust. So let's hop into it. Let's go. Wrap for this video. I know I didn't do a lot of talking on this one. Kind of wanted to do something a little different and just get to work, and that's it. But yeah, camber kits are on for the front. Barely see them, but here they are. So we're good on that side. Like I said, it was just 117, two 14s on each side, and yeah, we got our camber kits up. Next up, we're gonna do our front brakes or front rotors, which are the Willwood ones, and the Willwood front calipers, as well as rear disc brake conversion on this car. And these are the camber kits. This is the camber kit that I have for this car that I'm throwing on. So it's gonna be Hardrace camber kits, and the toe links are from Trueheart. These I used to have on my Track Integra, and once I parted it out and unfortunately got rid of it, I decided to keep those so I can use them for this project. So we're gonna recycle those parts and throw them back on this one. So we're getting real close to starting, or we should have been started a long time ago. This swap was done 2 months ago. It's just that I messed up on the putting the cylinder head onto the block. So a lot of blunders on my part, but hey, I'm learning as I go. So yeah, stick with me. And like I said, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Leave a like, a comment. It really helps out with my channel because I'm just starting out and I don't have too many subs. But the more people we can get in here, you know, the more motivated it'll get me to jump in the garage and actually start wrenching on this thing, because lately motivation's been pretty low. So yeah, stay tuned, and catch you guys on the next one. Peace.